Hi, I'm Joel from AdLaunch. Today we're going to have a look at how to create your first video with our service. Go to AdLaunch.com and you can start easily creating videos from either stock footage or your own footage. Here, as an example, I'm creating a dog-related video ad. First, I search for dog-related footage. I can add them to the timeline simply by clicking the clips, and then I can add text titles, customize the look of those titles, rearrange the footage, trim the clips and the titles, all while previewing the video live, which we're really proud about, and it works all in your browser. There we go. The video looks nice, we're happy with the result, and we're ready to download it for our marketing use. We can't wait to see what you create with AdLaunch, so go to adlaunch.com and start creating your first video today. And remember, if you need any help or guidance, reach out and we'll help you create a good-looking video ad for your business. Bye!
AdLaunch.